Let me show you how exactly you can make money online with no money, and you'll see it's super simple. So let's take this account on TikTok. She's got 2 million followers, which is incredible. And as you can see, she's promoting Amazon products. So now let's go to this product, that video that has 2.6 million views. Now if we go at the top, you can see right here, she's got a link. Let's click on it. Let's go to the summer favorites because that's where the product was. And here's our product from Amazon. So if I click on it, it's gonna take me straight to Amazon right here. The product is $49. So now this is how it's gonna work. Amazon pays 10% commission per sale that you're gonna make. So this product is $49. Just imagine if only 1% of the 2 million views, 2.6 million views bought that product. This is how much you'll make. So let's pull out the calculator. So we have 10% of $49, which is $4.9 per product. Imagine she sold 1% of 2.6 million, which is 26,000. And that is 127,400. And this is exactly what is affiliate marketing. It is simply promoting the product.